Qk4 is a large firm, and our survey department is running 9 crews right now, and we cover the entire state, and we also go outside of the state of Kentucky and work. The impact that Trimble Connect has had on the time and expenses of projects has been drastic. It's really saved a lot of time in the field and in the office because we're not having to wait for crews to get back to upload data. You know, if we had a project going on the far western side of Kentucky, it's a 4-hour drive to get there. And with Trimble Connect, we're able to have that data back in the office immediately. We're able to work through that data while they're even still in the field collecting.
Trimble Connect is Trimble's online cloud service for data storage, data transfer, both to and from the office to the field. It allows a seamless environment for that one source of truth for all of the data within a project.
Before Trimble Connect, every point at which you're communicating to a different stage of a project, there's opportunity to miscommunicate or not transfer exactly what you're wanting.
Using flash drives and external hard drives between the data collectors in the office was becoming an issue. It made it really difficult to get the data transferred in a timely manner for the office staff to be able to review the data for the field crews. Before we'd found Trimble Connect, we had created our own Trimble Connect with OneDrive, and it was kind of convoluted. You know, Trimble Connect really made it seamless on our end. Being able to take that data that we have in the office and want to get it to the field is as simple as a drag and drop through Trimble Web Connect. And then going in the field, being able to have that already on the collector. I don't have to filter through 100 different files that are on a flash drive to make sure I get the right one. Being able to update look points for property and being able to send that to the crews just directly in the field to be able to work with has been very helpful. And I want to say within months of using Connect, we really started seeing the benefits and the pluses to the software itself.
So Trimble Connect is both available on the handheld data collectors. You can download, upload projects directly through Trimble Access, and you can also then download or upload data in the office through Trimble Business Center, Trimble Connect Web, the Connect app, and it can be viewed at any time by anyone with an internet connection that's a part of the project.
We reached out to Seiler and Adam Miller and asked for an alternative if there was anything that he knew of that would make this streamline, and that's when he introduced us to Trimble Connect. And he and I were able to sit down and he really helped walk me through getting it set up.
Luke and the team at Qk4 are very proactive, so they were able to easily navigate and learn a lot of Connect on their own, but as questions came up, he reached out. We were able to walk him through, and within a couple weeks, he was able to start implementing that with his team and grow from there.
And then I think after it was explained and they started using it, they realized how easy it is. It was just a button click after it was set up. The information's there as fast as the speed on their data collector is. As long as they've got good internet connection, when I put the data up and call them and say, hey, you've got new data, it's already on their collector, ready to go.
We now survey bridges under the Kentucky Transportation Cabinet Bridge Delivery Program that has our field crews, could be anywhere in the state. Our field crews now can realize the efficiency of sending data back to the managers in real time, and having a connected workforce provides us the ability to make decisions remotely.
Let the office staff look at it and review it. We can make adjustments and send back that data, which really helped the cost of a project a lot because that kept us from having to make multiple trips.
Where I see the benefits of using Trimble Connect to our clients is when they don't see any delays and the product is exactly what they expect.
So I think the biggest benefit to our clients using Trimble Connect has been the timeline of being able to get the data they need back to them. And with Trimble Connect, we're able to have that data back in the office immediately and being able to start processing it, which has allowed us to be able to get that data out faster, which is saving us money, saving the client time and money, and allowing us to do these projects at a reasonable cost and still be profitable on our end.